It's Christmas, and here's my best Christmas present ever. Remember those ads in the 50s showing middle-class families so happy with their white goods? Well, here's my present, a brand new dryer, Electrolux Super Duper, dry all the clothes. So I'm happy with my new Christmas present and my middle-class existence.